Welcome back to another tutorial by Gigi Kimmy. Today we will be making fairy wings. To start off, the supplies that you will need are 3mm aluminum wire, white electrical tape, heat bond iron-on vinyl, iridescent film, and some white vinyl or poster board, depending on which technique you choose to do. You will also need some wire cutters to cut the wire. An Exacto knife is optional, and scissors. And to seal the edges of the wings, you will later need a heat gun or a lighter. Now let's begin. For the technique that I chose to do, I used my iPad to design the top and bottom wing. I then uploaded it to the program I used to cut my vinyl and proportioned it to the size that I wanted it to be for both sides of the wings. If you're not making these with vinyl, you will be drawing out on poster board your design that you want for your wing, and you're going to manually cut it out with scissors for the top and bottom wings, which may take a little longer. After the machine cuts the vinyl out, I will be showing you a time lapse of me weeding the vinyl, and if you are doing this with poster board, you will be cutting out your drawn design with scissors.
I don't wanna be if you feel under. If you can't see me, I'll say a way to go. Maybe a way to go. Yeah, where I have to be. I don't know that I someday I should have do it now. I'm strong in this night, and
After weeding or cutting out your design, we are going to grab the iron-on vinyl and we are going to place that directly on top of our design that we made. And as I was doing this, I realized it was a lot easier to have two people helping you, one holding the other end as you squeegee down the vinyl. After applying all the iron-on vinyl to all four wings, we are going to grab the 3mm wire and we are going to frame the top and bottom part of the wing to help hold it up. Once you're done shaping your wires to your wings, you're going to turn your wings around and pull off the excess paper. Then you're going to line up the wings and place them directly on top of the iron-on vinyl. Make sure as you put the wire on that you're connecting also the ends of the wire. When you're done placing down the wire, you are going to grab the iridescent film and we are going to place that directly on top of the iron-on vinyl. After smoothing out any air bubbles, we are going to grab the heat gun and go over the whole wing to seal the film to the vinyl. Once we are done, we are going to cut out the outline of the wing. Next, we're going to grab the white electrical tape and wrap it around where the wire and the film meet. And then we are finally done with one wing. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps for the other 3 wings.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
After completing all 4 parts of the wings, we are going to go back and heat gun the edges to seal them. Be careful not to apply too much heat or it may alter the shape of the wings. Now we are going to connect the top and bottom wings with electrical tape.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality.
When you're done connecting both wings, we are going to bend the bottom of the wire so that it's in an L shape towards each other, creating a U. After attaching the top to the bottom wing, we're going to bend the bottoms of the wires together, creating a U shape, and use the electrical tape to connect the left and right wings.
If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
Just before finishing up, I ended up adding another wire to make the wings a bit more sturdy, but this part is optional. And there we have it, your own custom iridescent fairy wings that you can tuck into any outfit. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY and tutorials.